I went to the emergency room asking for someone to check my tummy because I having tummy issues. And then 2 days later, she called and said, "Can you come to the office? Can you bring someone with you?"
When I would lay down to go to sleep, my I would feel like a cramp.
I had bronchitis. My husband was tired of hearing me cough in 2011.
I should have gone in an ambulance because I was hospitalized for 4 days once I got there with a collapsed left lung filled with fluid.
I didn't know I had lung cancer until I went and came out of surgery, and my husband told me that without my upper left lobe. So, or excuse me, my lower left lobe. 6 months later, I had a follow-up CT, and there was a tumor in my upper left lobe that they hadn't identified.
She said, "Well, good news is you don't have an infection. It's not a tuberculosis. However, you have adenocarcinoma." And I said, "What the hell is that?"
I knew something was wrong, but I didn't think it could be as wrong as lung cancer.
And then I said, "Well, what caused it?" They said, "Bad luck."
I think it's led to this villainization of people who've smoked. Seems like no matter what, people are looking for, why could this be your fault? And maybe it's so I don't feel like it could touch me.
It had been, did I do it to myself? You go, girls, because we need that. And that's what has happened in the past with some of the other diseases and cancers. So it's, I didn't deserve this. I'm going to make it better for everybody else. And I'm going to fight,
Right.
Yeah. We'll keep it going.
Thank
We'll
you,
keep it
Dina.
going.
Yeah.